Mr. Santa, I'm writing this to you, and I hope that you will read it so you'll see. I hate to be a nuisance, but I'm feeling rather blue since I began to reach the age of puberty. Oh Santa, please don't get me wrong, but how I long for something special beneath my tree. Oh how I crave no girl like a real showgirl. Mr. Santa, take my order, please. I've had my fill of choo-choos and G.I. Joe. I want a pair of legs and sexy pantyhose. Wrap up some candy kisses for a real Mrs. Santa. I'm good as good can be. Oh, won't you grant my wish and make my favorite Christmas dish? I want a real live lady underneath my tree. And make my favorite Christmas dish. I want a real live lady underneath my tree. I said a real live lady, seductive, dark and shady, a sexy little female who makes me proud to be her. As careful, shrimp, as gangster, long as she's a dancer. Santa, I'm a fussy, she can even be a
You better watch out, you better not cry, you better not pout, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. He sees you when you're sleeping, he knows when you're awake, and he knows if you've been bad or good, so be good for goodness sake. Oh, you better watch out, you better not cry, you better not pout, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming, Santa Claus is coming, Santa Claus is coming to town.
Mr. Santa, bring me a tree, make him the cutest that I've ever seen. Give him tulips like roses and clover, and tell him lonely winter nights are over. Santa, I'm so alone, don't have a sweetie to call my own. Please turn on your loving beam, Mr. Santa, bring us a dream.
Here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. Vixen and Blitzen, all of his reindeer, pulling on the rein. Those children singing, all is merry and bright. Hang your stockings and say your prayers, 'cause Santa Claus comes tonight. Hang your stockings and say your prayers, 'cause Santa Claus comes tonight.
Santa baby, just lift a table under the tree for me. Been an awful good girl, Santa baby, so hurry down the chimney tonight. Think of all the fun I've missed. Think of all the fellas that I haven't kissed. Next year I could be just as good if you check off my Christmas list. Santa cutie, forgot to mention one little thing, a ring. I don't mean on the phone, Santa baby, so hurry down my chimney tonight.
kick up your heels.
Raise my skies.
Now you see how good it feels.
Raise my skies. Listen to that country sound. Raise my skies.
All those days are coming round.
Raise my skies. I want you to come round and round and round and round. Come on, the moon is shining bright. Get on the board, everybody get on board. We're gonna raise the rest tonight. Everybody gather round, this song that we know. First we start to sing the song, then follow right along. Is this not a Christmas tree? Yes, this is a Christmas tree. Isn't all the candy free? Oh yes, all the candy's free. Candy free Christmas tree. Oh, what a country Christmas party, what a country Christmas tree. It's all these presents nice. Yes, these presents all are nice. Each one is a big surprise. Each one is a big surprise. Big surprise. That's nice. Candy free Christmas tree. Oh, what a country Christmas party, what a country Christmas tree. Does the train go choo choo choo? Yes, the train go choo choo choo. Does the dog go boo boo boo? Yes, the dog goes boo boo boo. Boo boo boo. Choo choo choo. Big surprise. That's nice. Candy free Christmas tree. Oh, what a country Christmas party, what a country Christmas tree. Does the dog go quack quack quack?
Yes, dog. Quack, quack, quack.
Does the bear go hollow yak yak? The bear goes hollow yak yak, hollow yak yak.
Choo, choo, choo.
Big surprise, that's nice. Candy free Christmas tree. Oh, what a country Christmas party, what a country Christmas tree. Does the clown go ha ha ha? Yes, the clown goes ha ha ha. Does the music la la la?
Choo, choo, choo.
Big surprise, that's nice. Candy free
Christmas tree.
Oh, what a country Christmas party, what a country Christmas tree.
Hear the bells go ding dong ding.
And
the Christmas carolers sing. And the Christmas carolers sing. They sing.
Choo, choo, choo.
big surprise, that's nice. Candy free
Christmas tree. Oh, what a country Christmas party. What a country Christmas tree. Yeah!
Gentlemen, it brings me great pleasure to bring you the greatest flower in the West, Daisy and the Cornbread Brothers.
Oh, I think y'all want a wondrous round of applause. I'll make it up there, all right. How y'all doing today? You know, we're gonna kind of do a kind of small, kind of really big part of the show right now. But first, I gotta introduce y'all to my boys, because you know they ain't gonna leave me alone till I do. So first up, we got my first boy. What's your name, boy?
Skittles, taste for it.
Oh, very nice, very nice. Say howdy, boy. Howdy. Next, we have my next son. What's your name, boy?
Shooting star.
Shooting
nipping at your nose. Tiny tots with their eyes all aglow will find it hard to sleep tonight. They know that Santa's on his way. He's loaded lots of toys and goodies on his sleigh, and every mother's child is gonna spy to see if reindeer really know how to fly. And so I'm offering this simple face to kiss from what's a 92. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
Dum 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 biddy dum dum. Dum biddy dum 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 biddy dum dum. Look at Frosty go, Frosty snowman, with a jolly happy soul, with a corn pop pipe and a buzzing nose, and two eyes made out of coal. Whoa, Frosty snowman, where he's down his day. What the children know, how we came to life one day. Oh, when they placed it on his head, he began to dance around. Frosty the snowman was the fine as he could be, and the children sang to laugh and play was the same as you and me. Dumpity dum dum dumpity dum dum, look at Frosty go. Dumpity dum dum dumpity dum dum, over the hills of snow.
in fields where they lay keeping their sheep on a cold winter's night that was so deep. Noel, 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 Noel. Born is the King of Israel. We've enjoyed singing and dancing on stage to songs about Santa, snow, sleigh bells, and especially all of the magical presents. The songs written during this time of the season warm the hearts of the young and the old, and those of all cultures and all faiths. Many of the songs written during this season are written about a baby, an infant king born in a manger. These songs are some of our favorite songs of Christmas. And now we hope you enjoy our sacred carols.